1, 2, 3. Bro, one big ass box for a gallon of coolant. This is why the economy's shit right now. I didn't even get a magnet. No magnet for one. Whatever. Yeah, I'm cutting it to me, I don't care. We better have a magnet. Oh my god, how much paper do we need? Jesus. Headlight. No magnet. Is it getting that bad that we send a giant box for 1 gallon of freaking coolant and no magnet? 1 headlight. Bulbs and everything, and the sockets. Okay. Turn indicator too. Alright. Over there. No magnet. That one said left too. This right one. Alright. Not the unboxing I wanted. So we have a partial. Wow. That was a waste of cardboard, honestly. This is how I got it, pretty much. I got the trans bolted in. You can see the exhaust is not even on. So that's going together. Harness and everything is moved out of the way. New motor's in. I finished mounting up the trans. Finished mounting up the trans mount. It needs a right front axle. The boot's torn and hanging off. But motor's in there, solid now. Compression test on this motor passed. Waiting on parts also from ZZP. And this motor, original one, threw a rod. From the last person that had it, the guy I bought it from, got it like that. And he's a freaking ass because, look at this. He's like, I don't know, probably not needed. That's for the fuel rail. These, he said, Can't say this be easy. This one, good luck. So the way you see it is what I'm dealing with putting this thing together. And he said the original blew head gasket and a throw rod, like I said. Now I can actually verify it did throw a rod, because I was like, oh, look at the AC compressor. Let me go ahead and get everything mounted up. But where'd it go? I can't, because that's most likely where the rod came out and nicked the compressor. So I need a compressor. And that's all I got for all of these cardboard and parts. But with that being said, the car did come with 2 blowers. This is the original one. This was off the donor. I have extra fuel rails. I'm probably going to go with different injectors because I got some stuff cooking. This blower is clean. This one looks like it had debris going through it, as well as this original intake manifold. This was off the donor, and the hardware is here for the pump. In here it looks clean. These rotors look scuffed up. I'm going to do a pulley change, and you can see I already tried taking this off with a 3-way puller, and it doesn't work. So I'm going to get the puller, go to a smaller pulley, bigger injectors, new belt, tensioner. But that's the status of this as of right now. So that's a little bit of backstory on the Cobalt. That it was already blown up. God delivered to me. So I think right now I am 800 deep for the car, maybe 300 in parts. And then I gotta get tires on and whatnot. But that's a little bit of what I have going on with this. When I get the other parts in, it should be in the next few days, you'll see me putting that stuff in, and hopefully, fingers crossed, this thing up and runs, and I'll have a clean, fast daily to do videos with that. But that's it for this one. It's just a little update. Has stuff laying around, had some parts come in, so now you know a little bit about backstory and what I'm going to plan to do to it. ZZP and Rock Auto, it's pretty much what I'm using right now.